What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be going over a live trade that I did, and I recorded my screen so I could come back and show you guys how I was able to take this trade. So now we're going to get started. I'm going to actually go into the footage and show you guys where and when I took my trades, right? So as you guys can see here, we're in a play, and I'll give you guys the exact entry right here. So right here, you guys have me entering the play. I'm going to hit play. You're gonna see me entering the play, and you can see I announced it to the Discord. You guys can't see right now, but if I move myself right here, you guys are gonna see there's me in the morning. I forgot to record the audio, otherwise I would just posted that clip, but now I'm gonna be doing a little voiceover so it's easy for you guys. But there's me in the morning trading for you guys in the live Discord. So we gave the entry, and the thing we were playing was an hourly demand setup. So we had our demand drawn out, and it was bouncing from that area, around that 373 area. If you guys go onto your charts, draw them out, tweet them at me at Twitter. I'll tell you if you got it right or not, because I want you guys to learn why we take these trades, so you don't have to follow me or follow anyone for that matter, and you can trade on your own. So here, that's what we had. We had a bounce, and we're getting a nice pullback to retest that demand that we previously had on the hourly. And if you guys know, my monitor over here is where my charts are. This one where I actually screen record is my Weeble, where I execute. So you guys can see here the play's not going my way right now. I'm down around 2%, nothing crazy, and it's pulling back a little bit. So I'm gonna fast forward here a little bit, and you guys are gonna see it's still pulling back deeper into that zone. Now in hindsight, this would have been a great entry for an average downer. This would have been just a better entry, and that's all hindsight, of course. But you guys can see what starts to happen here. We start to get that bounce. We're a little green on the play, and you guys can see we're waiting for this local high, these relative equal highs, to get taken out so it moves closer to high of day. So as we wait for that, you know, we're just chilling on voice chat, we're just waiting, and then you're seeing we're up 2%, 3%, nothing too crazy. And that's the thing, we need an abrupt move to happen, right? And I really wish I recorded a little bit more. We see sellers start to come in here. And one thing I want you guys to notice is the level 2, right? What are you guys seeing here? There's sellers that are taking over right now, right? Sellers are taking over. You're not really seeing too many big sellers, but you're seeing big buyers step into the tape. You guys saw there was 1,000. There's 1,000 sell right there. And we're just watching to see if these bids are holding. This 374 area has been holding very, very well, right? So we want to see a move over that 374.8 area as long as it holds 374. So once you see that holding the bid, you see the bid holding a key level very well, right? As you can see, it dipped down to 374 almost exactly and bounced back up, and you can see buyers step in here. And we got a 5-minute candle close above the EMAs. Now I'm going to fast forward a little bit more. You're going to see that 374 level held once again, right? Look what starts to happen. The price starts to move up. It held that 374 area very well, and the way we're able to know that is because we're watching level 2. We're seeing whenever it comes down to this 374 level, buyers tend to step in, right? So now that we're getting a nice move up, our next resistance is these two relative equal highs. Once that's taken out, right around 375, we should see a move to 376. And I was explaining this all in the Discord chat, and this was a pretty long trade because once you get a nice move like this, we drew out this downtrend. Once you get a nice move like this off the lows, like this is a dollar move, the market, and it was a little higher volume move, as you can see here, higher volume here. It needs a low volume digestion, right? It needs to be able to digest that move and actually wait before it continues higher. So you can see we're back right on the play for a little bit, but as long as it holds 374, I will be staying in, right? You can see here something nice is going to happen soon. We drew out this downtrend. We know that if it breaks to here, shorts will start to cover, or their stop losses will hit, because this is where they're shorting. They're shorting here, here, and we want to see a move higher here, right? We know institutions bought down here, moved it up. It's digesting the move, and this is just chopping out retail for liquidity, right? You can see they're trying to get shorts to get down here, but they're protecting that 374 level super well. And that was me taking a screenshot for the chat. And you guys start to see a move higher here. Contracts are around break even at this point, since they are Friday contracts. 0 DTs would have been red, and this is why I like to go Friday contracts. I like to go a little few days out, just because instead of being in the trade being down 40-50%, I'd rather go a little bit, you know, moderate size, like 5K, and just go in, you know, Fridays. And today I sized a little bit lighter just because markets came off of a 3-day weekend and there was nothing really to watch, and there was really no news that could be a catalyst to a nice little move today. So you can see we're consolidating, we're digesting the move, we're getting a nice pop here and there, and boom, right? So I'm gonna zoom, go back a little bit, and you guys are gonna be able to see now that it's actually closed a candle right on the EMAs. It's pushing here, and you're going to see buyers are holding this 375 area now. There's no real sellers at 375, so I know that it's going to look to continue higher. So at this point, we're up around 7%, and this would have been a lot more if we were in 0 DTs, but you guys also know I don't like playing 0 DTs. Here is that 10% level, and you can see we have taken out those relative equal highs, and we're pushing past 375. We're going for that 376. We're going for that high of day level here. So we came off 372. This was our entry on this red candle, and this is following us exactly according to plan, right? It's going exactly according to plan. We held that 374 area, we took out 375, and we're making a stride towards that 376 area. All right, so I'm going to zoom out or fast forward a little bit here, and you guys are going to see we are up around 20% here, and that's me taking the screenshot, sending it to our alerts channel, letting them know we're up nicely. You can see it followed exactly to our plan there. 376. Going to start to see that buyers are still present here, but we're starting to see more of a rejection on the tape. Those sell orders are getting filled, and since it followed exactly where I wanted to, this is where I took profits. We bought at 374, we sold it at 376. We waited out we weathered the storm, and we waited it out until we got the profit we were looking for. So it was a very nice play, it was very nice profit, and we were able to call it a day after that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys drop any questions you have. If you guys enjoy these live recaps, let me know, and I'll continue to post them. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Let's hit 10K subscribers. See you guys in the next one. Peace.